Let's see if it's working. And I have something to show y'all if it is working. Yes, it is working. Okay, I just got all this amazing stuff in the mail. So I'm so excited, and I've got to show you what it is. And I obviously put on my new mask, and I'm obsessed with it. Okay, so let me back up so you can actually see this. Can y'all see me? I think I'm on my business page. I think it's working. Okay, so this all just came in the mail. I got 2 huge boxes, and I'm going to show you what's inside. Hi there, girls. Hi. Okay. All right, so let's see. I got 2 boxes, and I'm supposed to be somewhere in like 15 minutes, so I'm going to make this super fast, and I've got to get this exfoliation off my nose. Okay, number 1 thing you can do for your skin, don't forget, is exfoliate that skin. Okay, so this came in the mail today. I'm so excited. This is my... I know, babe. I'm not good at technology. You're the best. I'm not. Okay, so this is Jordanology. This is our new customizable skincare. And this is my day moisturizer. This is pore diminishing, hydrating, and tinting. I added tint to mine, so I'm so excited to show y'all. I'm not going to show you this today. I'm going to show you what is in this box. So I get the question all the time, Jordan, tell me more, tell me more. Why do you love it? What makes it amazing? And I just want to tell you that there are so many perks. There's so many reasons why not, that I have to kind of just feed them to you slowly because they're so exciting. There's so much that I love about what I do. But y'all, one of the perks is, are the things that corporate sends. So as a presenter, I get the opportunity to earn things. I get the opportunity to make money. I get the opportunity to get gifts in the mail like this, which I'll show you this one, which I'm super excited about. Super excited. I hadn't even pulled it open yet to get it out myself. But one of the other perks and reasons that I love it so much are the early releases. So this hasn't even released to the market yet. My husband actually got his early the other day. He did a live with me because he's been using his skincare. But y'all, I get the new skincare before the market gets it, which is so exciting. I can't even tell you. So this releases February 1. Look at this. I got my own towel for my face. I got my own bag to travel with. These are perks. This is reason why not. So for $99, you sign up, you get a discount on your own makeup and skincare that you love so much. It's truly a no-brainer. The girls that have joined me already in 2019 are going to see, y'all, this is a little headband, so I could use this to zoop. I could do that with it and wash my face. So I didn't get my hair, but I didn't have it until today, so this is exciting. The girls that join me this year, they're going to get to be part of something huge. That is why I've told all my friends, if you've gotten a message from me, you know what I mean, but if you haven't gotten a message, you're going to get one. So you just wait just a second or you message me because there is too many reasons why you have to do this. Besides the fact that, quick fact of $99, you get $300 worth of product, you get an instant discount on your own makeup and skincare, no-brainer. No auto ships, no fees, there's no attachment. And so when I joined, that was huge. It was just like, sure, I already love the makeup, I already love the skincare, why not get a discount on what I love so much? My noises, am I making noises? Lo, you have to tell me. Is it the box or is it me? Is it me? I don't even know where I'm supposed to look. I'm trying to be all high tech here. Okay, so besides all of that, I get early access to products. So I got early access to this amazing skincare, the stuff that I already use all the time obviously, but I get to have all the opportunities to earn free stuff. So if you're like, y'all, it's like feeding the soul as a mom to get gifts in the mail that you didn't pay for. So like me getting this hat wherever it went, getting this hat in the mail that I will wear to run with, and I didn't pay for it, I just earned it as a side perk. Heck yes. Okay, so here's another big gift before I show you the rest that's in that box. So another perk of being in the business, opportunity to earn trips. They just released our 2020 trip that you earned this year is going to the Bahamas. So that's unbelievable. A fully paid for trip that you can earn. On top of your commission, on top of your discount. Hello. Makes all the sense in the world. Okay, so here's something else. This month, corporate is amazing. It's a family-owned business. I absolutely love Melanie and Derek. They are always thinking about how can I recognize and make these women feel valued. And so as a mom, I was talking about this on my live yesterday. It's so important to feed your own soul, to make time for yourself. So one of the big things with me in this business is it feeds my soul. It gives me the opportunity to be better, to rise. Hello, hi Lupita. Oh, you would love this bag, girl. So this is something else that I didn't pay for. I didn't pay for the shipping to get here. They mailed this to me because I did a few things this month with my business already in 2019. It is a great leather bag, and I'm going to use this all the time for my work stuff. Put my laptop in there, but it's a free gift. Sorry, glad I shaved my armpits, huh? I put my sweater on and go outside, but I get so hot when I'm working. So anyway, I love this. So this is just another perk. I mean, hello, another free bag, which is so fun to travel with. So if I could tell you anything, y'all, and this is something else I was really excited. I'm going to mix all these on a different live one day when I have the chance. Okay, what time is it? Am I doing okay on time? Oh, I got to be there somewhere in like 5 minutes. Okay, so this is Uplift Beauty, which I'm obsessed with. All of you that know me know that I'm obsessed with this product. So I got this early. Nobody else can get it. But as a presenter, it's one of the big perks. I know, babe. I'm sorry. It's another bag. It's another bag. Hi, Lupita. Hi, Lo. Now I can see messages. I know you have sound effects rather than... Oh, I guess there are sound effects. See, I don't know anything about this. But this right here has been my absolute favorite skincare product that we have had. And I've used this over the years like twice a day. So this is the new packaging. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Can y'all see that? I love it. Okay, so this box is just full of all kinds of Uology. It's our new skincare line. But also the hat, the bag. Oh my gosh. This, y'all, I know that I talked about this the other day. I don't even know. I don't even know where I'm supposed to look on here. Sorry. Okay, let's see. Y'all, boosters. These are the boosters in the new skincare. Hello. Nobody gets to have these until after the 1st, but as a presenter, you get them. Okay, I just wanted to jump on here. I wanted to show you, since it's a skincare day for me and the UPS guy delivered these boxes, I literally screamed. I was like, oh my gosh. Okay, so anyway, that's all I've got. If you want to catch me, I'm going to start doing more on my business page. Like I said, I'm learning how to be more technologically advanced like my husband is. If you click the link above, you're going to be notified when I go live. You can request certain things you want to see. I'm going to be sharing my favorite workouts, my favorite mom hacks, my favorite foods. This is a year of growth for me. So I'm going to be sharing more about what works for our family, for my kids. I'm a mom of 3 if you don't know me personally. So I am super excited. It's part of my goals this year to help women rise. Women, you are going to go places with me if you're part of my team. So emotionally, financially, confidence, spiritually, whatever it is you're looking for, I will help you do that. Super excited for the girls that have already joined my team in 2019. Thank you for having the confidence in me. I'm ready to have some fun. So these are just the side perks of what I do, all the free stuff. I sit at home in my skincare when I'm working. I'm exfoliating because I actually need to put a little sunless tanner on. I'm too pale. But anyway, click that link. It's jordanslink.com. You'll see it at the top. And it'll notify you when I'm going to jump on so you don't miss me. And if you're looking for something better this year, you need to join me. I'm going to help you find it. I'm going to help you financially, whatever that might be. I want to be your girl. Okay, that's all I've got. Y'all have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Let's see if I can figure out how to turn it off. Bye, girls.